Number 7, this is a tough one for a lot of open source companies. In open source, contributors are often considered the lifeblood of any open source project. But from an open source startup perspective, prioritizing contributors over users is a potential mistake, because what you have is a group of people and users who are contributing code who are more advanced than your standard users. They're also probably going to lean more towards not being willing to pay for your software if they can self-support, self-bug fix, add their own features, integrate their own software. By prioritizing contributors over users, you are potentially going to be chasing features and chasing things that are going to be for a very specific high-end audience, as opposed to the more general masses or those who might be willing to pay for it. So be mindful that contributors are great and you want them and you want to treat them, like gold. You want to give them, the praise and the focus that they deserve, but you can't ignore the users, and you have to figure out what users want and what users are willing to pay for, and that might not match what contributors want. And that's a tough thing for a lot of open source companies to resolve, but it's something that from a startup perspective, if you want to be successful, you need to do it. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We hope that you found this series educational. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the other videos in this playlist.